busy. Meghan exhaustedly facing another court battle with shocking result to her private letter. Meghan Markle faces a crunch High Court privacy showdown tomorrow following a 3-year legal wrangle. The Duchess is bracing for battle amid the next stages of her court fight over a letter she sent her father begging him to stop talking to the media. She claimed the articles in February 2019 misused her private information, infringed her copyright and breached the Data Protection Act, and so she sued Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, the Mail's publisher. But the paper had suggested that she may not have been the only copyright owner of the letter. She won her privacy and copyright row against the Mail on Sunday's publisher Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, after extracts of a 5-page note to Thomas Markle were published. ANL is appealing the court's decision, which was made in February. Lawyers are arguing over a technicality. They claim former aide Jason Knauf was the author of Meghan's letter. If proven, that means the letter would belong to the Crown, and Meghan wouldn't own the copyright. If the royal wins, it will end the court case for good. But if the newspaper claims victory, the case will be sent for a trial in which Meghan herself would have to give evidence and face questioning by lawyers. At the original hearing, the court was told Meghan sent the letter to her estranged dad, 76, in August 2018. She was said to have felt forced to write the painful letter after they reached breaking point. Her lawyer Justin Rushbrook QC described the 1,250-word letter as a heartfelt plea from an anguished daughter to her father. Releasing a statement after her victory in May, the Duchess said, "For today, with this comprehensive win on both privacy and copyright, we have all won." In a statement after the ruling, Meghan said she was grateful that Associated Newspapers and the Mail on Sunday had been held to account for their illegal and dehumanizing practices. "For these outlets, it's a game," she said. "For me and so many others, it's real life, real relationships, and very real sadness. The damage they have done and continue to do runs deep." A spokesperson for ANL said they were very surprised by the ruling. Raising the stakes further, the Mail would be entitled to demand the disclosure of documents and messages from Meghan and possibly some of her friends. Mr. Knauf emphatically denied co-writing the letter, with his lawyers saying it was the Duchess's letter alone, the court has previously heard. It came 3 months after palace chiefs breathed a sigh of relief as a showdown between Meghan and her father was avoided when the High Court ruled the Mail on Sunday had breached her privacy. Associated Newspapers Limited were ordered to print a statement on the front page of the Mail on Sunday and a notice on page 3 of the paper stating it infringed her copyright by publishing parts of the letter. But a statement regarding Meghan's victory in her copyright claim was put on hold while the publisher asked permission to appeal, which has now been granted. A 3-day hearing will begin tomorrow. On the same day, Meghan will speak at the New York Times Deal Book Online Summit. She'll give a talk on how women can reach economic and professional equality between 2 p.m. and 2:30 am Eastern Time, 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. It comes days after she allegedly lobbied Republican senators on their private phones. Piers Morgan, a long-standing critic of the Sussexes, has urged the Queen to rescind Meghan's royal titles after she called the politicians in her battle for paid parental leave. She reportedly tried to use her influence to get Senators Susan Collins of Maine and Shelley Moore Capito of West Virginia to vote for the rights in the U.S. Much to my surprise, she called me on my private line and introduced herself as the Duchess of Sussex, which is kind of ironic, Collins told Politico. "I was happy to talk with her, but I'm more interested in what people from Maine are telling me about paid leave.